job. How many do you have? You got to count. 2, 3. Okay, put them in gently, Haley. Put them in very gently. 4. Good. Oh, 5. Gently. See any more? Should be more. They're all in the living room, I think. Look behind you. Look behind you. I see one. I see one behind you. Up, behind you and up. Up. Over there. You'll see it. Hey, no, Haley. Haley, look. Yay! Good. Those look like the ones that you decorated? The Easter Bunny somehow found them. I see another one. I see a couple more actually over here. Where's that egg? Where's that egg? Uh-oh, it got stuck in your shoe. The Easter Bunny put it in your shoe. Oh no, the sticker came off. Here. There. Very good. I see some more. Oh. Good. Good. I see another one. I do. You see it? Okay. I still know that there's one more that I've seen that you have not. Oh, no, you did find it. Oh, you found the one over there. I think you got them all. Let's just do one last look around. Oh, nope, there's one more right behind brother. Your brother. Look behind brother. Stand up. You see it? Look behind him. And up a little bit. Hey. You see it? Where do you get DVDs from? Where do you get your DVDs out of? Good job! Yay! Oh, you know what? There's one more. I see one more. Uh-huh. I don't know. Is Mommy giving you a hint by standing over here? Maybe it's over here somewhere. What do you think?
Huh? It's in my car.
Oh, look at that. Cool. Good job, Haley. Say thank you, Easter Bunny.